Hello, YouTube. It is Garemore, and will be testing our smoke alarm in about a few minutes. We've already notified the fire department and made the announcement. This is in our living room, as you can see. Sorry about any errors in the recording. I'm wearing headphones to prevent hearing damage. Please turn your volume down. We're about to press the button in 3, 2, 1, 0. You see the lights there. I'm just gonna show you a little bit around the room. There's one of the buzzers there, and that's the activation unit and the new thermostat that we just got recently. Take the headphones off. So thank you for watching this short smoke alarm test video. If you like what you saw, please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.